Welcome to our journey into the world of vacation houses. Whether you're looking for a cozy cabin in the woods, a beachside bungalow, or a luxurious villa with breathtaking views, finding the perfect vacation house can turn your holiday into an unforgettable experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to discover and secure your dream vacation home, ensuring your getaway is nothing short of magical. Identifying your ideal vacation house. Understanding your needs. Start by defining what you're looking for in a vacation house. Consider location, size, amenities, and the type of experience you want to have. Are you after relaxation, adventure, or maybe a bit of both? Budgeting. Wisely. We'll discuss how to set a realistic budget that includes rental costs, security deposits, and any additional fees. Learn tips on how to get the best deals without compromising on quality. The search process. Utilizing online platforms. Discover the most reliable websites and apps for vacation house rentals. We'll show you how to use filters effectively to narrow down your search. Reading reviews and ratings. Learn the importance of reading through reviews and ratings from previous guests. This can provide invaluable insights into what to expect from your stay. Making your reservation, contacting hosts, tips on how to communicate effectively with property owners or rental agencies. Find out what questions to ask before booking. Understanding rental agreements. We'll break down the key components of rental agreements. Know what to look out for to avoid any surprises. Preparing for your stay. Packing essentials, a checklist of must-have items to bring to your vacation house, plus a few extra things that can enhance your stay. Making the most of your experience. Ideas on how to truly embrace the vacation home lifestyle. Whether it's trying out local recipes in the kitchen, exploring the surrounding nature, or simply unwinding by the fireplace. Finding the right vacation house can dramatically enhance your travel experience. With the right preparation and knowledge, you're well on your way to creating lasting memories in a place that feels like your second home. Remember, the perfect getaway starts with the perfect stay. If you're dreaming of your next vacation and looking for the perfect house to complete the experience, start your search today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides to make your adventures unforgettable.